I'm going to tell you about a best-selling book that will inspire you to stop endlessly planning and finally hit record on your YouTube channel. My name's Claire Sarah. On this channel I share tips and tricks for getting out of debt and starting to work towards that brighter future you deserve. This is absolutely not a get-rich-quick channel, nor does it contain advanced investment strategies or mathematics. It's my honest account of things that helped me claw my way out of huge piles of credit card debt and turn my life around. And my hope is that it can help you in your journey and that we'll learn a lot from each other along the way. If you're just starting out on your YouTube journey, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below so we can start building a bit of a community and really help each other out. Or if you're further along in your journey, I would love to know what's worked for you or what do you wish you'd known when you were just starting out. Maybe you're like me and you've had this idea of becoming a content creator for years and researched the topic within an inch of its life and come up with every excuse under the sun to keep researching and never hit record. In fact, that's what's led you to this video today. We've got these incredible lists of reasons not to get started. Oh, I don't have the right equipment. You're watching countless videos of content creators who have hundreds of thousands of subscribers and you're comparing yourself to them. Well, guess what? They started somewhere. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. If you've got a phone that records video and audio, if you have a window in your home and you have access to the internet, you've got enough. What you need to be doing is going to accounts you love and sorting their videos from oldest to newest and comparing where they were then to where they are now. It's astounding. A lot of accounts will have actually removed their earliest content because it's often not very good and you shouldn't expect it to be. You put a saxophone in a beginner's hands and it will be terrible, but it might improve. With all learning, we got to start messy. You have everything you need to make a start, and from there, we give ourselves the opportunity to grow. Last night, I was doing some more research before finally hitting record, and I decided, no, I need to get some proper lighting before I get started. A, that's not in my budget right now, and B, if it was, it would put me behind another however many weeks before I actually get started. It's just another excuse. Another massive thing we tell ourselves, oh, I don't have anything to say. If you've made it this far in life, to wherever you're at, you have something to say. And to be honest, you just might owe it to your fellow humans to start saying it. What do you love? Helping people? Music? Gardening? Cooking? Are you a handy person? A parent? Preparing for a wedding? Are you an artist? There are YouTubers who make videos about slime who have millions of subscribers. You got this. Think about the kinds of things you're searching for on YouTube. If you're looking for that, chances are other people are too, and that's an opportunity to connect. The book that finally got me to stop making excuses and hit record is YouTube Secrets by Sean Cannell and Benji Travis from Video Influencers. I discovered Sean and Benji about a week ago and subscribed about 1 minute in. I highly recommend you check them out. Video Influencers has so much incredible content that will inspire, educate, and entertain. And these guys really know what they're talking about. Sean and Benji have an incredible amount of subscribers and millions of views worldwide, creating jobs for themselves and for others, and they've inspired countless others to do the same. YouTube Secrets is going to take you through Sean and Benji's 7 C's to get you started. Courage, clarity, channel, content, community, cash, and consistency, followed by tactics to help you grow and develop with a clear system that's proven to work time and time again, going into detail about social media, discoverability, collaboration, trends and tent poles, team, and how to think differently. YouTube Secrets is so easy to digest, so inspiring, and jam-packed with super practical tips on getting started, igniting passion, and transcending fear. The authors, Benji and Sean, masterfully read the audiobook, and I personally devoured the thing in a day, and I'm already on read number 2. Audiobooks are a great way to get information for people who are super busy. I have a dog walking business, and when I'm in transit and sitting in traffic, it's the perfect time to be listening and learning. Though, depending on the book, I sometimes go for both. Audiobooks largely because of the sitting in traffic, but also because I'm simply too impatient to wait for my hard copy to arrive. But when it does, it really helps me to be able to go through and find the sections I want to focus on the most. But hey, whatever works for you, you'll find both options linked below to get your hands on a copy. And while you're there, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. And if you've gotten value out of this video, let me know with a like. And if you've read YouTube Secrets, comment below something you've learned that you've put into action. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.